welcome to Sesame Street. You know, I'm glad you're here because I was just about to read the story of Little Red Riding Hood. You guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Here goes. Little Red Riding Hood. Long ago, there lived a little girl who was called Little Red Riding Hood. Do you know why they called her Little Red Riding Hood?
Cause she had a little jacket and a red hood.
With a red hood. And because she was little. And she has a red hood. Very good. One day, her mother gave her a basket of goodies and said, "Red, take this basket of goodies to Granny and don't stop or wander about in the forest. Be sure to stay on the path." And you see, there she is with her mother and the basket of goodies.
"Yes, Mommy,"
said Red. And she skipped away singing.
"Over the river and through the woods, to Grandmother's house I go."
All of a sudden, a big wolf jumped in front of her.
"Grrr," said the wolf. "Where are you going, little girl?"
"To Granny's house, and I'm not supposed to stop,"
said Red as she hurried past the wolf.
"I'll get to Granny's house first,"
said the wolf. And he took a shortcut through the woods. When the wolf got to Granny's house, he knocked loudly on the door.
"Come in,"
said Granny, thinking it was her granddaughter, Little Red. So kids, what do you think will happen next?
I think he's gonna eat her.
Well,
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Either.
You don't think so? Well, let's find out. So the wolf went inside, growled at Granny, and locked her in a closet. Then he dressed up in Granny's nightgown and nightcap so he would look like Granny. Look at that.
"I'll fool Little Red Riding Hood when she gets here, and I'll eat her."
When Little Red Riding Hood got to Granny's house, she saw the door was open and went right in.
"Hello, Granny,"
she said to the wolf, thinking something was strange.
"Hello, Red,"
said the wolf.
"My, what big eyes you have,"
she said.
"The better to see you with, my dear."
"Ooh, what a big nose you have."
"The better to smell you with."
"But Granny, what big teeth you have."
"The better to eat you with." Grrr!
Just then a woodcutter passed by the house and heard the wolf growl. That doesn't sound like Granny, said the woodcutter. So he went inside and saw that the wolf was about to eat Little Red Riding Hood. "Oh, no, you don't," said the woodcutter, and he chased the wolf away. Little Red Riding Hood led her grandmother out of the closet, and they both thanked the woodcutter for saving their lives. Then they ate the goodies and lived happily ever after. The end. Wow. Did you like that story, kids?
Yes.
Yeah? Was that a good story?
Yes.
You know, I liked it too. Oh, hi, Snuffy.
Hey, Gordon. Hey, kids.
Hi, Snuffy.
Oh, I'm not Snuffy today. Make that Little Red Riding Hood.
Oh. Okay, Little Red.
Oh, Bird. Hey, Bird.
Oh, Snuffy.
I'm ready, Bird.
Oh, wow, look at you.
Yeah.
You look just like Little Red Riding Hood. Oh, hi. Hey, Snuffy and I are going to be playing a really great game today.
Boy, we sure are.
Yeah.
Bird and I are going to play the Little Red Riding Hood game.
Yeah, we're just going to do the story of Little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah, you do it by pretending to be all of the people and animals in the story.
That's right, it's sort of like a play.
Yeah, it's a real play date.
Play date. You're a riot, Snuffy.
Oh, stop.
Anyway, you know the story of Little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah, that's me.
He's going to be Little Red Riding Hood.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, Little Red Riding Hood takes a basket of goodies.
Oh, wait a minute, Bird. Wait a minute. What are goodies?
Oh, well, It's a good question.
We can't play the game until we know what goodies are, Bird. Oh, dear. We've stopped before we can even start.
Wait. You know, we'll just ask somebody, Snuffy. Asking questions is a great way to find things out. Somebody must know what goodies are.
You are so right, Bird.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, Duck. Oh, it's probably just a cold or it's maybe allergies.
Hi, Gina. Hi, Duck.
Hey, Big Bird. Hey, Snuff.
We have a question, Gina.
You know what? I'm sorry. I don't have that much time. I have to give this duck here a checkup in my office.
Well, it's just a quick question. Gina, what are goodies?
Goodies?
Well, we're playing Little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, goodies. Okay, goodies are good things to eat.
Oh, now that makes sense.
It sure does. Thank you, Gina.
You're welcome. All right, come on,
Thanks,
Duck.
Gina.
Let's go in my office.
Oh, dear.
Well, come on, Bird. Let's go fill that basket with goodies so we can play Little Red Riding Hood.
Okay. Oh, I love playing with Snuffy. He really throws himself into things. Oh, we're back.
With a basket of goodies to bring to Granny. Some cabbages, some spaghetti.
That looks so yummy.
Yeah.
And there's a couple of birdseed cookies in there.
Oh, boy.
Okay, Snuffy, let's play, okay?
Okay, Little Red Riding Hood, that's me, Bird, takes a basket of goodies to her granny.
Yes, but first, her mommy tells her, I'm going to be the mommy. Little Red, now you stay on the path and don't go wandering in the woods.
Okay, Mommy.
Because there's a wolf.
What?
Well, don't you remember, Snuffy? That's the whole story. A wolf dresses up like her granny so that he can eat up Little Red Riding Hood.
What?
Yeah. But it's just a story. And don't worry, Little Red Riding Hood gets saved by the woodcutter.
Oh, well, that's a relief.
Yeah.
What's a woodcutter, Bird?
What's a, gee, I have no idea. Let's ask somebody.
Yeah, asking questions is a great way to find out things, Bird.
Sure is. Let's ask Gina. Gina!
Gina!
We got another question for you.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I have to take your temperature. Yeah?
Gina, what's a woodcutter?
Person who cuts wood.
Gina, you are so smart.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on, I'll weigh you.
Okay.
Okay.
Gonna play?
All right. I think we're ready to play now,
Yeah,
Bird.
yeah. Okay.
So I'm off to Granny's with the goodies.
Okay, Red. And remember, stay on the path and don't talk to any wolves. I'm going to dress up to be the wolf.
This is
I
fun.
can't find my way. I'm lost. Where is that woods?
Well, Bird, look. It's the wolf.
Who's a wolf?
Where? What? Don't look at me. I'm a granny.
Hey, I know you. You're the wolf from Little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah, you're the wolf.
Okay. I can't fool anybody. The big eyes, the big teeth, the big nose. I'm the wolf.
Well, what are you doing here?
Well, I guess I got lost. Where am I anyway?
Oh, well, you're on Sesame Street.
Sesame Street? Boy, did I take a wrong turn. But I thought I heard somebody say, don't talk to the wolf.
Well, that was me. We're playing the story of Little Red Riding Hood.
Oh, I thought you looked familiar.
Yeah, I'm Little Red. Hey, would you like to play?
Yeah, you can be the wolf.
Oh, but I'm always the wolf.
But you are a wolf.
Well, but even a wolf likes to pretend now and then.
Okay, then who would you like to be?
Little Red Riding Hood.
But I'm Little Red Riding Hood.
You could be the wolf.
But I want to play the wolf.
You could be the woodcutter.
The woodcutter? I cut wood, right?
Right. Now, let's start the story.
But you two have to change costumes then.
All right.
Right.
Boy, this is going to be exciting. We have the real wolf playing Little Red Riding Hood.
What? I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh, you scared me. You look just like a wolf dressed up as a granny.
Thank you.
Ooh, let's play.
Yeah, let's.
Okay. Okay, remember, I'm the mommy of Little Red Riding Hood. Here we go. Now, Little Red, you take your basket of goodies to Granny and stay on the path.
Yes, Mammy. I wouldn't want to run into any old wolves.
Oh, he's good.
Whoa! It's you! Little Red Riding Hood.
It's you? The wolf.
How did she know?
So what you doing here?
Well, I got lost. How did you find me?
I followed your tracks. Now, come on, we need you. We can't do the story without you.
Yeah, but, well,
But he's playing with us. He's Little Red Riding Hood.
And I'm the wolf.
But what about the real story? We need you.
But in the real story, I'm always the wolf. I want to be somebody else for a change.
Yeah, sure, you betcha. Well, now that you mention it, I'm always Little Red Riding Hood, bringing a basket of goodies to Granny's house. I'd like to pretend to be somebody else for a change, too.
Oh, goody.
Who would you like to be?
The wolf.
But I'm the wolf.
Yeah, you betcha. But I'd really like to be the wolf.
Oh, then who can I be?
You can be the Granny.
Okay, I'll be Granny.
And I'm still the woodcutter.
Okay, change costumes.
All right.
Boy, this is even more exciting than it was. We're going to play Little Red Riding Hood with the real Little Red Riding Hood pretending to be the wolf, and the real wolf pretending to be the Little Red Riding Hood.
Oh, boy. Are you going to the parade this year?
Oh, yeah.
All right, here we are. Let's play Little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah, goody.
Hey, we're so lucky. You know what we're doing? We're playing the story of Little Red Riding Hood. And the real Red Riding Hood is playing the part of the wolf.
Yeah, you betcha.
And the real wolf is playing the part of Little Red Riding Hood.
I'm Granny.
And I'm the woodcutter and Little Red Riding Hood's mommy. Everybody ready?
Yeah, you betcha.
Yes.
Now, Little Red, take that basket of goodies to Granny's house.
That'd be me.
And stay on the path.
Yes, Mummy.
Mummy? I never say mummy.
Well, I'm off to Granny's. Over the river and through the woods to Granny's house I go.
Growl.
What was that?
A growl. I'm growling like a wolf, don't you know?
No, I think you need a little more in your growl.
Excuse me. I'm the wolf, and you're Little Red Riding Hood. Growl! Don't you know?
Hey, that was good.
This is great. We're really doing the story now.
Where are you going, little girl?
To Granny's house.
But I will get to Granny's house first, don't you know?
Oh, what pretty clouds.
Oh, boy.
Knock, knock, knock.
Come in.
Growl!
Oh, it is a wolf. What happens now?
I locked you in a closet.
Oh, okay. I'll pretend that there's a closet right here. Oh, dear. I am locked in a closet. What happens now?
Then I dress like you, don't you know? And here's that Little Red Riding Hood now. Yeah, I'll fool her and eat her.
Hello, Granny.
Hello, Red.
Oh, my, Granny, what big eyes you have.
Yeah, the better to see you with.
And Granny, what a big nose you have.
Yeah, the better to smell you with.
And Granny, what big teeth you have.
Yeah, the better to eat you with.
Oh, woodcutter.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Not so fast, Wolf, or I'll cut your wood. And don't come back.
That's right. Oh, thank you, kind woodcutter, for saving my life and my granny's.
Yes, thank you, woodcutter. Now we can eat the goodies and live happily ever after.
Yeah. Hey, that was great.
Yeah, I liked being Little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah, and I like being the wolf. There you are! Granny!
I thought I was Granny.
Uh-oh.
What are you doing? Why are you dressed like that? And who are you?
She sure is asking a lot of questions, Bird.
Well, it is a great way to find out things, Snuff.
Yeah, right.
They're our new friends, Granny. We were playing Little Red Riding Hood with them, don't you know? And I gotta be the wolf for a change.
And I was Little Red Riding Hood.
And you were very good, don't you know?
Well, thank you. You were good, too.
Well, we've got to get back to the story. The woodcutter's waiting for us. It's our job.
But I like being Little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah. And I like being the wolf.
Fine. As long as we just tell the story.
Oh,
Let's
good.
go. Maybe I can be the woodcutter for a change.
And I can be Cinderella.
Huh? Oh, come on. Let's go.
Bye.
Don't you know?
Bye. Oh,
Bye-bye.
boy, that was fun, huh, Snuffy?
Sure was,
Hey,
Bird.
guys, how was your Little Red Riding Hood?
Oh, it was great. I was the woodcutter.
And I was Granny.
Oh, well, who was Little Red Riding Hood?
Oh, the wolf.
Yeah, and the wolf was Little Red Riding Hood.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna get back to work.
Hey,
Bye.
Bird, let's go get a snack. Some more goodies.
Okay. Off we go. And I love pretending things. Sure
Tell me
fun.
about it, Bird.
Hello. Little Red Riding Hood wants to tell you something.
That's right, Bird. That Sesame Street was brought to you today by the letter and by the number 17.
I love that number.
There it is.
You know what? Little Red Riding Hood is really Snuffy pretending to be Little Red Riding Hood.
Bird, you told them.
They knew.
No, I don't know.
What'll we be tomorrow?
Let's play Cinderella, Bird.
Oh boy, I'll be the handsome prince.
And I will be Rumpelstiltskin.
You sure?
He's in that one, isn't he?
I don't think so.
Can I be Tinkerbell instead?
Sure.
Okay. Oh.
Toodaloo.